Hey Patriots, so in this video I'm going to introduce you to what's called the angle bisector theorem. Very similar kind of to the perpendicular bisector theorem, a lot of the same ideas. So instead of giving you a segment though, we're starting with an angle. Right here we're going to start with the angle. And the angle bisector theorem says, a point is on the angle bisector of an angle if and only if it is equidistant from the sides of the angles. So what that means, I'm going to tell you that angle MAT, this angle on the left, MAT, notice how I can trace it, MAT is congruent to angle HAT, the angle on the right. And I know that because they're marked congruent. So if these two angles are marked congruent, what I can do is I can connect the side to any point on the angle bisector, the side to any point on the same point on the angle bisector, and they will make a right angle. Because when we're measuring distance, we always do it using a right angle. We always use it perpendicular to something. Not only are these guys going to make right angles with the side, please pay attention, I have to have a right angle at the side, they will also be the same distance from the side to the point. Okay, so let's review what I did. I've got an angle that's been cut in half. I know it's cut in half because of these marks right here. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to connect the side to a point and the other side to the same point on the angle bisector. They will make right angles with the side and these distances are going to be the same. So if I tell you the two given angles, MAT and HAT, are congruent to each other, we're going to come back and say this. These are the three things that we put in ourselves. We put in that MT is perpendicular to AM. They make a right angle. We're going to say HT makes a right angle with AH. And the distance between M and T is the same as the distance from H and T. Just like the perpendicular bisector theorem had a converse, so does this one. So I can start by giving you what we wrote in last time. So I'm going to write in the right angles. I'm going to tell you that the distance from the side of the angles are the same. Now what we're going to say is that AT, the ray inside the angle, cut the big angle exactly in half. So we're going to be allowed to say that MAT, angle MAT, this angle on the left, and angle HAT, the angle on the right, are congruent to each other. All right, so make sure that you've got these notes filled in. Make sure that you understand what they're saying. If you need to back up and watch again, by all means, please do so. And if you have any questions, please let your teacher know. All right, we will see you tomorrow, Patriots, and then we will hit up our bell work, and we will go from there. Have a fantastic day, everybody.